Welcome to day 17 of my 30-day Pilates and Yoga Wellness Journey, Flourish. My name is Annie and welcome to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. This is a gentle beginner flow to help strengthen your hip flexors and your knee muscles. So get your mat ready and join me on this beginner flow. Okay, my friends, let's start in kneeling position with your knees level with your hips, slowly reaching up to the ceiling as you inhale. And as you exhale, slowly sit down and lower your arms and hands to your side. And then engaging your upper back slowly. Tall kneeling, reaching up. Hold it there. Gently lower yourself down as you exhale. Last one, my friends. Inhale, slowly kneel up. And slowly, gently raise your eyes further up, extending your neck. As you exhale, slowly reach back on your right heel. Lean back. Overhead reach and follow your eye gaze on your hand reaching back and hold that position. In 2 deep breaths. Feels so good on your hips and your arms. Last deep breath and then slowly go back in kneeling position. Gently reach up both hands. As you exhale, reach back with your left hand towards your left heel. Gently lean back as you further reach back with your right hand, looking up, following your hand with your eye gaze. Engaging your core muscles, keeping your balance. Last deep breath as you inhale, slowly kneeling position, reaching up again and switching it up again to your right side. Gently reach back on your heel with my right hand and look up with your left hand. Inhale, exhale. Deep breath in as you exhale back to reaching up. And gently twist and reach back on your left heel. Right hand slowly overhead. Inhale, exhale. 2 more deep breaths in. Exhale. Last one. And slowly kneeling position, reaching up. And this time we're going to further reach back. Both hands on your heels. And gently lean back, looking up. Resting my head on my shoulders. Engaging my core. Keeping that stability through your hips, knees, and shoulders. Inhale, exhale. Slowly get up, engaging your core muscles. Placing your hands on the mat. And from this position, grab your toes on the mat to brace yourself for downward dog. Extending your knees, gently pedal left and right marching to feel the stretch on your calf and hamstrings. Engaging your upper back, keeping the pressure towards the inner side of your arm, forearm all the way to your thumb, squeezing your upper back, your scapular muscles. 2 more to go. Inhale. Exhale. March left and right pedal. Last deep breath in. Exhale. Slowly press your heels down towards the mat. Feel that tension on your hamstrings, calves, and hold it there in 2 deep breaths. Making sure the pressure is on your inner side of your forearm all the way to your thumb. Engaging your upper back, squeezing it tight. Last deep breath in. As you exhale, slowly lift one leg. I'm starting with my left foot up, pointing to the ceiling, keeping my back in neutral. Engaging my glutes muscles, tightening it. Toes pointing away, knees straight. Try to lift as high as you can without twisting your spine. As you inhale, exhale, lower your foot down, place it between your hands. And from this position, down, get that balance and stability. As you lower your knee down, feeling that deep hip flexor stretch, keeping your head straight, looking up gently. As you slowly place your hand on your left knee for stability. Because this is beginner program, this is a lot of stability for most of you. And you can challenge by reaching up to the ceiling both hands as you lower further down for a deep lunge. And if this is too difficult, hold on to your knee or to the mat. And hold that in 2 deep breaths. As you exhale, slowly place your hands back to the mat. Gently remove your left foot. Gently reach back and hand reaching up to the ceiling, looking up on your right hand, the eye gaze looking up, stretching your shoulder and your hip flexors on your right. As you exhale, slowly lower it down, and we're going to slowly turn to the other side to open your left hand, this time reaching up. Inhale and exhale. As you inhale, place your hand back to the mat and gently lift up your right knee for stability and gently extend your left foot back together with your right foot. And go back to downward dog position. As you inhale now, lift the right foot this time for single leg downward dog. Inhale, lift as high as you can, keeping that stability. And then exhale, place it between your hands. And if you can't reach your hand level, that's fine. Get that stability first as you lower the left knee down. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly let go of your hands. If you need to hold on to your knee for stability, that's fine. But for those who want to try to let go and slowly reach up. And hold that in 2 deep breaths. Last deep breath. As you exhale, slowly lower your hands down to the mat. Feel the stretch on your knee and your hip flexor on your left. Slowly open up. Lift your left hand, reaching up to the ceiling, looking up. Inhale and exhale. Hold that position. As one more deep breath in. As you exhale, lower down to the mat. And switch it to the other side. Lifting your right hand, pointing to the ceiling. Feeling that opening of your chest, a deeper stretch in your hip flexor. Inhale. As you exhale, slowly place it down to the mat. Gently grab your left toes to the mat to slowly lift your left knee and gently extend the right foot and knee and your right foot back to the mat for a downward dog position. Inhale and exhale. One more deep breath in. Inhale and exhale. Gently monkey walk back. So slowly crawl your hands back and then gently bend your knees slightly, keeping your hands still on the mat, keeping your back in neutral spine. You don't want to round your shoulders too much. And engage your upper back. Get some stability. Slowly tippy. Your fingers are just touching the mat on your tip of your fingers. Get the stability as you slowly lengthen your knees as much as you can to engage your quads. We're going to do a gentle forward fold. For beginners, slightly bend your knees more until you can really touch your chest towards your knee and lower yourself down. Because this is beginner program, you don't want to be aggressive to your body. Hold that position. Gently grab the back of your thighs or your legs and gently lower your head down for a forward fold. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more deep breaths in. Exhale. Last one. As you inhale, place your hands on your hips so you can feel a gentle hip hinge lift to half fold. Inhale and exhale, lower your chest again down to the mat, reaching down to the mat. Monkey walk forward to a high plank position. When your feet apart, hands level to your shoulders, feet level with your hips. Gently lower your knees down and slowly lower yourself all the way down to child pose. Extend, sit down on your heels and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Last deep breath in and exhale. Slowly go back to your hands and knees position. We are going to mobilize your spine by gentle cat and camel round your shoulders, looking down to your belly button. As you exhale, look up to a camel pose, extending your low back, arch your low back, and slowly look up. Inhale, round. Exhale up. Squeezing your core in as you inhale in, angry cat. Looking down, pelvic curl. Exhale up. 2 more to go. Inhale, round. Exhale up. Last one. Inhale, round. And exhale up. We'll end the program for a gentle frog pose with your knees at the side of the mat. Slowly lower your hips down with your feet together, feeling the stretch on your hip groin area, and then extending your arm, lowering your chest, and we'll hold this in 5 deep breaths. Last deep breath and exhale slowly. Sit up, and that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed my gentle day 17 of my 30-day Pilates and yoga wellness journey flourish. If you love this video and want to finish this well and strong, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything, even 10 to 15 minutes of your day, up to 20 minutes of my program. Perfect for beginners and inflexible. If you want to receive daily email reminders from me to encourage and motivate you Sign up on my website for free at anniepilatesphysicaltherapist.com/flourish so you can receive my emails encouraging you to show up on the mat. If you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, leave a comment down below or direct message me on my social media, and I'll try my best to answer each one of you. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. See you tomorrow, day 18. Namaste.